Hi everyone. So Ellis and I are in our workspace and we were going to do some math and thought you might like to see what kind of things we've been working on. We're working with some number line work. So I'll just show you. Oh, there's Ellis. So these number lines we went ahead and cut them out, but you can find these, and I know that Miss Polly put some in your go bags when we left school. So, but they're going to be on the Seesaw app, so you can work from the app, like on the screen, like you've been practicing so beautifully. Or if you have a printer, you can print them out. You can also just get a piece of paper, draw a line, and put some numbers on it. Okay? So here's some ideas that we were coming up with. All right, we're gonna just tilt the screen down here. This is our little, another, reusing. This used to have, what was in this?
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers. It was a cucumber tray. You know I love my trays. So
now it doesn't fall off the table.
Right. So one thing we were working on is we were taking the 1 through 10, okay? So you've got the 1 through 10 number line right here. Let's see if I can get it in the screen. All right. So, Ellis, go ahead and roll one die. What'd you get? 2. So, Ellis got the 2. So, if you're working on just and counting, you're going to count 1, 2. So, that's moving up 2. And that's great practice. Let's see. Now, I'm going to roll this one. Oh, popped out of the ring. So, Ellis already was on 2. What if you were going to go up 2?
Up 2 would be 4.
Okay, so let's check his work. So if you're going to go up 2, 1, 2, and he's on 4, right? Now, what if you were going to go back 2?
It'd be -0.
It'd just be 0, right?
0.
It's not even on the number line, 0, right? Because you've got 2, 1, 0. Okay? And you could do that from anywhere on the number line 1 through 10. Okay? Now, if you want to step it up a notch, this is beautiful. Keep practicing here. Just practice counting, practice seeing your numbers. You could take this number line and write it in your journal. All those beautiful things that you did in your classroom, you can do right at home, okay? All right, so another thing that you can do, we thought of this cool little thing. All right, Ellis is gonna roll one and I'm gonna roll one. I'm gonna be purple and he's gonna be red. Go ahead, Ellis.
3. You do it.
Okay, do it at the same time.
10, 2, 1, go.
All right, so we got a 2 and a 1. Now, for what we were gonna think is 2 and 1 could be 21 or 12, right? Okay, so what do you want to go with? 21 or 12?
21.
So we're going to go with 2, 1. So that means in the tens place, there's 2 10 bars. And in the units place, there's 1 unit bead. Okay? So let's find the number line with 21 on it. Okay? Here we go. There's the number line with 21. All right. So we're starting at 21. Now, we're only going to roll one die. Let's start at 21 and see what you got. All right, if you were to go up 5, what would you be? So you're starting at 21. Let's count 5.
Maybe
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. 26.
26. So 21 and 5 more equals
26.
Okay, so now if we were going to go backwards, we got to find the rest of this number line. So if you're at 21, what piece of the number line pieces do we need to find to get the number before? What's less than 21?
I'm not that good at doing that one, but
let's see what's before 20.
21.
20, right.
20.
So let's find the number line with 20.
20.
Here's the number line with 20 on it. Let's attach it right there, and look at that. We just
20,
made our number line so long.
19, 8.
Okay?
Wait, hold on.
So count
21.
backwards from 5. So you're at 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
16.
So 21 minus or take away 5 equals 16. Let's count it using the numbers this time, not just counting. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Right?
I almost went
I know, I
15.
got excited. I like counting backwards. Okay, so you can make it a game. You guys can have fun with it. I think you got some dice. If you don't have dice, you could just say pick numbers. So let's say you're at 10, okay? And you have someone tell you, okay, now what happens if you go 3 back? So you're at 10. 1,
9,
2, 3. So you're at
3.
7.
I mean 7.
That's right. Okay, but then if you said it, you go 10, 9,
9,
8, 7.
7.
Okay? So be your own teacher. You've got this. You know your numbers. Keep practicing them. Have fun with it, right? Have fun. Okay. Bye, guys.